In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ulcer Index Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to adjust the basic settings so you can start using this indicator in your own charts right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the platform for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all the tools you need. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find specific indicators without scrolling through long lists. Click once inside the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in that search bar, start typing Ulcer Index. As you type, TradingView will filter the available indicators in real time. You should see Ulcer Index appear in the drop-down results under the built-in Indicators section. When you see it, move your mouse over the Ulcer Index option and click it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart, typically in a separate panel below the price. With the Ulcer Index now visible, you might want to customize it so it fits your trading style and is easier to read. To do that, look for the indicator's name on your chart, then hover over it. You'll see a small settings icon appear, usually shaped like a gear. Click that icon to open the settings panel for the Ulcer Index. Here you can adjust things like the length or look back period, as well as colors and line thickness. Take a moment to tweak these options so the indicator stands out clearly and matches the rest of your chart layout. When you're happy with the changes, confirm them and close the settings window. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you'd like access to these kinds of indicators and advanced charting features, check out the sign-up link in the description below this video. Using that link will take you directly to the official TradingView page, where you can create an account and follow along with guides, just like this one.